And they are so happy with the work. They really pray for you and the good work that you do. Yes.
This year, the government gave the Catholics shillings 2 billion, the Protestants shillings 2 billion, and the Muslims shillings 200 million for this occasion. I have directed the government to make this contribution part of the government budget annually. Since many Ugandans participate, I'm very happy to see all of you coming, walking, sleeping here. Very happy, very happy. We are very happy to see this. As you all know, the government spent billions modernizing this infrastructure you see today at both the Catholic and Protestant sites. When the Muslims are ready, we shall also support them, because I'm told some Muslim followers were also killed by Mwanga. So I congratulate everybody. May God bless you, and long live Uganda, long live the freedom of worship. Thank you very much.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.